Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fresh food door gasket in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Torx 15 screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new fresh food door gasket. There are two identical fresh food door gaskets used in this refrigerator. The refrigerator door gasket provides an airtight seal, preventing warm air from getting inside the compartment. A bad seal could cause a higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, blocking of the interior airways, or the door to not close completely. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. As I mentioned earlier, we've got two identical gaskets on this fridge. The fresh food doors are exactly the same gaskets. So I'll show you how to replace the gasket on the left side because we have a flapper door here. So it's a little longer and a little more difficult. Next, we're going to open the flapper door to get to the screws. So we're going to take out these two Torx 15 screws. I'm going to use the Torx 15 screwdriver. I'm going to open this and I'm going to disconnect this plug. This is a mullion heater plug. I'm going to push on the tab, pull it apart. Okay, to remove the flapper door, we need to push it up. We're going to start taking off the gasket from here. I'm going to peel it aside and you will see a little groove here. I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver right there and pry the gasket out. From there on, we're going to use our fingers in our hands. And we're going to pull the gasket out of the groove. This is the old fresh food door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so before installing the gasket, we need to make sure that the groove is clean. If it's not, then wash it with the soap and sponge and make sure it's dried before we push in this gasket. On the back of the gasket, you can see this ridge that will be installed into the groove. And also, we've got this two ears that this side of the gasket has. So these two things are going to be outside next to the edge of the door. I'm going to place the corners first, push them in. You will feel how the gasket goes into the groove. Now about halfway, then the opposite side, and then go to the bottom of the gasket and install the bottom corners and continue on, and then the bottom portion. All right, next I'm going to check the gasket, how it's mounted visually. Now I'm going to install the flapper door, make sure this both hinges are in open position, and I'm going to slide it at the same time. Okay, now I'm going to plug in this the heater, make sure it's locked. Put this plug inside and then close the cover. Now I'm going to secure it with the two Torx 15 screws. And now we can close the flapper door. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.